In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a toggle switch button in Figma. Let's launch the Figma app. In the top right menu, click on Design. From the bottom menu, click on the Shape option and select the ellipse shape. Place the shape on the canvas while pressing Shift on the keyboard. This will create a perfect shape. Right-click on the shape. In the pop-up menu, click on Auto Layout. In the right side menu, click on Fill, and let's change the fill to a slightly grayish color. Now select the circle and click on Fill. Change the circle fill to pure white. Select the frame again and click on Stroke. Add some outline stroke, but keep it similar to the fill color. Increase the outline stroke weight to 2 points. Make sure that you have selected Frame Flow to Horizontal and drag the frame to the right. Now increase the cornering to 100. Here you can see that this now looks like a proper toggle button. Select the whole frame and click on the Component button in the right side menu. Now click on the Add Variant button. Select the second toggle and change its alignment to Center Middle. Now we have to change the fill for the second toggle. Click on Fill and select a different color than before. In my case, I will select something like blue. Just like before, change the stroke to a similar color to the fill. Select the first toggle and click on Prototype. Now on the right side of the first toggle, you will see a little circle. Drag this circle to the second toggle and connect them. After connecting, a pop-up should automatically appear. In the pop-up, make sure that the trigger is set to On Click. Now click on Animation and change it to Smart Animate. Select the second toggle and connect it with the first toggle just like before. Set the trigger and animation option the same as the first one. In the bottom menu, click on the Frame option and create a frame on the canvas. In the left side menu, click on Asset. In the Asset menu, click on Created in this file. Here, you can see the component we just created. Drag this component into the frame we created. Resize the frame and position your component according to your needs. Now select the new frame and run the prototype. Here you can see that we have successfully created a smart toggle switch. Following these steps, you can create a toggle switch easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.